Hello and welcome back to Coding in Tokyo. Today I'm going to show you how to make functions in Swift. Function is a useful method. In fact, it's called method in almost all development languages. With function, you can set and automate your code logic in application. So, let's have a look in Xcode. Let's make one playground file and call it fun functions. Okay. And let's delete what we have by default. And let's assume for a moment that we are building some kind of retail shop application and we would need function to calculate discount amount. If we don't know functions, we would probably do like this. Define variable amount 1. Let's say it will be 500. Discount rate equals 10%. Let's call it discount rate 1. Then we would like to calculate discount amount. And we will say amount 1 multiplied by discount rate 1. And you can see on the right side, so it will be 50 euros. Now we have another transaction and we have to repeat all this again. Amount 2 equals 1000. Discount rate equals 25%. And again, discount amount. Oh, I forgot the rate number. Okay. Discount amount 2 equals amount 2 times discount rate 2. And you can see it has calculated 250. But of course, we cannot live like this and we need some kind of automated way to calculate all these discount amounts. So use functions. To use function, we will start with function name. Let's call it calculate discount amount. Each function will have some inputs. So in this case, to calculate discount amount, we will obviously need to know amount. And this will be of type double because we will use decimals. And it will also need to know discount rate. And this will also be of type double. Okay. The next thing we need to indicate is the return type, so double. And now let's specify how we will calculate the output of this function. And usually in functions, then we will need to specify new variable, and I will call it discount amount. And it, as you know, equals amount multiplied by discount rate. Okay. And we will expect this function to return discount amount, obviously. Well, that was the goal of our function, right? So let's check now how we can apply this function. So let's say we would like to calculate discount amount for a new transaction or one of the previous ones. So we will define new variable, new discount amount equals calculate discount. So you can see that function is already being defaulted. And as our parameters for this function, let's use amount 1 and discount rate 1. So we can just key in directly this as amount 1, discount rate 1. So what happens now? You can see on the right side that 50 euros have been calculated. Now let's say we have some more advanced discounting system. We would like to apply another discount that if customer buys with amount exceeding 500 euro, then 50 euros will be added as a discount. So we can easily modify this function by adding, for example, if statements. If amount exceeds 500, then return discount amount plus 50. Now you see that amount 2 is actually 1000. So let's try and see how the calculation works. So we will replace amount 1 in our function is amount 2. And you already can see that 150 euros have been calculated, which means that 50 euros have been added to the discount amount. I hope you found this example useful, and see you again.